All right, my loved one, the bulgur porridge is ready. Everyone should get a plate and let's go. Bulgur porridge is ready. Put the bulgur to boil. After the bulgur boil, I like my porridge thick. I like it to water, guys, with my stomach. And then you take the coconut milk. If you want to grate the coconut, blend it or coconut powder, mix it out in some water, add a little flour to it to thicken it. So when you put it in the bulgur, it give a nice thickening thick. So this is very, very welcome. Very, very nice. Right now it's ready to eat and it's good to go. The back catch a little bit, like a catching on the bottom there. When you scrape, you see like a black come up in the bottom, they have a little catch. So I don't want to scrape too much in the bottom. But the bulgur is ready and it's nice. It's really nice with the coconut milk. Make sure when you do the bulgur and you boil the bulgur, make sure you add the coconut milk with the flour. You mix a little bit of flour out in the coconut milk and add it to the bulgur on the fire. Salt, sugar, a little cinnamon, a little nutmeg, and you're good to go. So here I go, and here's the bulgur, and it's ready. Have a pleasant day. I'm going to deal with the bulgur and talk to you in a minute. The bulgur ready, me say. I love bulgur. Me say go school. Oh God, me love bulgur. Me love bulgur bad. See the burn me I tell about it. The burn when I scrape it from the bottom, more black come up. See it from the bottom of the pot. You see? That's why I tell you I can't scrape the bottom of the pot. Because it burned up. It stick to the bottom. See it there? Can you see my hand? Where is it? It burned. It stick to the bottom of the pot. The bulgur green. See? Stick to the bottom of the pot. So I can't scrape up too much because I don't want the whole thing black in the pot. The kind of thing. You know? Unless an old pot them good, them old way cooking and you're getting new one and shiny. And you're cooking it and no blast it good, very thin. But anyway, pick up on yourself and the bulgur is ready. Now about little bun because I like bun, I don't have anything. So the bulgur is ready with the coconut juice. Whoa, the bulgur sweet. The bulgur say, I'm ready to go on my belly right now. Here comes the bulgur.